Hello everyone, uh, it's yet another episode. It's good to have you back, and this time around we'll talk about we'll be working on how to create a folder and how to move files, copy, paste, or move files from one folder to the other. Um, we'll be making use of our File Explorer. Yes, we call this File Explorer. Be making use of it for most of the copying and pasting and the creation of folders and the rest. So from this desktop view, just like I said, I made mention before, this is a desktop view, or some persons can say is a main area or desktop session. You right click, yeah, so that you can be able to learn how to create a new folder. You see this new, you select new. You don't need to select on new because you drop down on this box because of this sign here. So by the time you see the pop up, you see other sections, or you have to select a folder. Yeah. Once you select folder, you have actually almost effected creating a folder. You see, all you have to do is to give your folder a name, and this folder will be saved in the desktop folder of your system, the desktop section of your system. And let's say you are giving it a name, Arvin, as a folder name. So you click enter to effect your saved folder. If you want to look for it, you go to desktop section of your system, and this is file explorer loading up. All you have to do is to select the desktop. You see it there, because it's saved in the desktop view section. So once this loads, you see it in the desktop pane area, and that's that. Let's give it time to load, and while it's loading, refresh. How do you refresh your system? You can refresh by clicking on the desktop. Just click on this area, and then you select the shortcut key F5. You just place your hand in F5. It will refresh the system, or you right click on your mouse and then you select refresh. Both will really go a long way in achieving the refreshing process of your system. So let's go back to the folder to see if it's still loading. Give it time to load. And this folder will be located in the desktop view section of your system. So once it's displayed here, we can be able to select it. I think this is taking a whole lot of our time. As you can see, we have three sections here. This one is to minimize your active program software or active applications. So this one is to increase or reduce the windows of the active folder or application on the server. Mostly on folders. When you open folders, you open Windows. So sometimes application, other times folders. You open them this where you these are just Windows. Then this one is to close the Windows or close the application from running. This So that's that. It's actually taking our time too much. Let's refresh and please. Okay, as I was saying, we click on this uh, file explorer, and on clicking on it, we get straight to the, the 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 folder we created. As you can see, we created a folder in desktop section, right? So if you click on desktop, you see the folder there. There's a folder. And now, how do we move or copy a file inside here, depending on the file you need? Yes, let's say there's a file in desktop that I want to move there. Go to desktop, look for the file we need. Let's say this file is what we're moving, this one. So we'll select on it, and right click, and it loads. Look at copy, look at cut. Anyone will select is okay. And there's a shortcut that we usually follow. Yes, to copy is Ctrl C. To cut is Ctrl X. X, yes, Ctrl X. Some people will say it's X. So anyone we use will move the file or copy the file from here to that very folder. So let's say we are copying now, or we are cutting. Let's say we are cutting. Cutting means that we are moving the file to the other folder. Let's move the file. Control X is what I just selected, and I go straight to the arrow and I click on Control V. Control V, V, not B. Control V, not Control B. I said Control V. Okay, that's, as you can see, the file is in here, and that is how you move a file. And also, in case you have you are in a hurry, there are other quicker process of achieving this same file. Let's say we have not done this yet, or sorry, we want to move it back to the desktop. Now you can select the desktop by right clicking, then select open a new window. You want to do it the faster way. There are some persons that like dragging and dropping, and this is a new window that came out. This one is for the desktop, as you can see is here, and we want to copy it here. And this process, we are going to make it faster now. Take for instance, we want to do it this way. If you want to move this window, is to go to the extreme top. Yes, you double click on your if it's your mouse, you double right click to hold this very area, then you drag to the right, then you see this file that we need in the initially created window for File Explorer. So if you want to move it, you select it, and you select it. I think you select it. The other window as left, right. That's why we need to make it smaller. We'll make the window smaller. So select this. Now you see there are two now, right? And you left click to hold this one. so you can drag. By the time you drag and move it here, you see the file has gone to the uh, to the desktop session. Okay, in some situation it automatically detects that we are moving or copying a file. So as you can see, it's been moved to the desktop, and so that is that one. There are other means you can achieve copying pasting too, but we've just achieved several of them. In case you have a flash drive, you can insert your flash drive, and then you go to PC, you see your flash drive here. See a flash drive here coming out uh, for use. It will be detected by the system. It will come out here. Take for instance, I want to send file to my system. Like by the time I connect, sorry, I want to send file to my phone. By the time I connect my flash drive, sorry, my USB cord to my phone and insert it in the system, you see it's detected. It's detected. All I have to do is to just it's now reading. Let me move on back to see if it's finding. Okay, now I select transfer so that from my phone, so that it can be able to detect, and you can see I can move file into my system. See, so that's the way it is. You can copy and move file inside my system, so that should not be stressful for my trainees if they want to achieve that. That will be the end of this class for copying and pasting of files, and so I wish you guys well as we go for the next class, because the next class will not be uh, um, will not be heading to Microsoft Word. Yes, because the basic is the basic. We'll introduce most of the sections that need be introduced for your basic training. I hope you will be there when we head to the next training session. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.